Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Wan Ilman Hakim Yosaluddin, student in Diploma of Plantation Eco Technology from UiTM Cawangan Pahang, Campus Tingkau. Today I will do the individual presentation. The topic that given to me is palm oil, pest and disease, Rhinoceros beetle. So let's get started. Introduction. The Rhinoceros beetle, or in the scientific name is Oryctes rhinoceros, is a major pest in oil palm plantation, causing significant economic losses. Adult beetles bore in the crown of palm trees to feed on sap, damaging young fronds and emerging spear leaf, which leads to stunted growth, V-shape, cuts on leaf, reduced photosynthesis, and even tree death in several cases. The beetle's life cycle includes eggs, larval, pupa, and adult stage, with breeding often occurring in decomposing organic matter near plantation. Young palms, particularly in replanting areas, are most vulnerable to attack. Effective management relies on an integrated pest management (IPM) approach, combining cultural practices like removing breeding site, biological control such as fungi, metarization, anthophilia, and parasitic nematodes, chemical treatments, and manual removal of beetles. Early detection and timely control are crucial to minimizing the beetle's impact on oil palm productivity. Symptoms: V-shaped cuts on leaf. Adult beetles bore into the crown, damaging emerging fronds, which later unfold to show characteristic V-shape or wedge-like cuts. 2. Broken or damaged fronds. Feeding activity may cause fronds to break or become misshapen, reducing the tree's photosynthetic capacity. 3. Tunnels in the crown. Beetles create holes or tunnels in the crown, particularly near the base of emerging spear leaves. 4. Delayed growth. Infestation in young palms can stunt growth, slow canopy development, and delay fruit production. 5. Tree death. Severe infestation can kill young trees, especially when the meristem or growing point is extensively damaged. Methodology. First, field survey and monitoring. Conduct regular field inspection, especially in young plantation or replanted areas. Look for visible symptoms such as V-shaped cuts on leaf, damaged fronds, and tunnels in the crown. Then, use light traps or pheromone trap to monitor adult bee population. 2. Damage assessment. Assess the extent of damage by counting the number of affected palms and recording the severity of symptoms. Then, map infested area to identify hotspot and determine the scale of the problem. 3. Identification of breeding site. Search for breeding grounds such as decomposing organic matter, rotting logs, and manure piles near the plantation. Then collect and examine larvae and pupae from the site to confirm the presence of Oryctes rhinoceros. 4. Implementation of control measures. Cultural control. Eliminate breeding site by clearing organic waste and maintaining plantation hygiene. Biological control. Introduce natural enemies such as metarization and anthophilia, bacilloviruses, Oryctes rhinoceros virus, or parasitic nematodes. Chemical control. Apply insecticide to protect young palms following recommended safety and environmental guidelines. Cultural control. Remove organic waste, eliminate decaying trunks, stumps, and rotting materials to prevent beetle breeding. Proper composting. Ensure composting is done correctly to avoid creating breeding grounds for beetles. Field sanitation. Regularly clear debris and destroy larvae or pupae found during inspection. Replanting practices. Crush or chemically tree stump to prevent beetle breeding in replanting areas. Ground cover crop. Plant cover crop like Mucuna bractata to cover the soil and reduce exposed organic matter. Proper drainage. Maintain good drainage to prevent the accumulation of organic material where beetle can breed in. Chemical control. Contact insecticide applied to kill adult beetles upon contact. Systemic insecticide absorbed by the tree, making the sap toxic to feeding beetles. Preventive treatments. Insecticide sprayed on young palm crown to protect them from attack. Soil applied insecticide. Target larvae and pupae in breeding site such as rotting wood or compost. Biology control. Fungal pathogen. Methorizal and Sphaeria infect and kill beetles by penetrating their skeleton and growing inside, eventually killing them. Parasitic nematodes. Stenonoma species invade beetle larvae, releasing bacteria that can kill the host, allowing the nematodes to reproduce inside. Baculovirus. Oryctes rhinoceros virus target and disrupt beetles' development, spreading through beetle population over time. So the conclusion, the rhinoceros beetle remain a significant pest in oil palm plantations, causing damage to young trees by feeding on the ground and affecting growth. Effective control measures, including cultural, chemical, and biological approach, are essential to minimizing its impact. Integrated pest management (IPM) strategies that can combine monitoring, sanitation, and targeted treatments are key to sustaining oil palm productivity while reducing environmental harm. Yearly detection and ecosystem management are crucial to mitigate the beetle's economic effect. That's all from me. Thank you.